For months, the astronomical community maintained that 3I Atlas would be nothing more than a harmless interstellar visitor, a fast-moving chunk of frozen gas and dust executing a standard flyby past Mars before vanishing back into the deep void. However, recent observational telemetry gathered by the James Webb Space Telescope, Gemini South, and NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory has completely upended that comforting narrative, revealing that the object's trajectory has shifted significantly closer to the red planet. Moving at an extraordinary velocity of nearly 87 km per second relative to the Sun, 3I Atlas displays behavior entirely inconsistent with standard cometary mechanics, which typically dictate that an inbound body slows, fragments, or stabilizes. Instead, high-resolution deep-field sensors detected rhythmic, 17-minute outgassing pulses emerging from its coma, deliberate bursts of carbon dioxide and ultraviolet energy acting precisely like directional micro-thrusters aligned with Mars's orbital plane. Rather than a chaotic, sunlight-driven melting process, these gas vents execute highly coordinated course corrections, narrowing its projected miss distance down to a mere 1.95 million kilometers, a razor-thin margin in cosmic terms. These precise orbital maneuvers have led researchers, including Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb, to investigate whether 3I Atlas is an engineered interstellar probe utilizing its own mass ejection to systematically adjust its approach vector toward Mars. The technical anomalies surrounding 3I Atlas extend far beyond its unnatural acceleration, as radar bounces from the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter and the Goldstone Deep Space Communications Complex returned dense, metallic echoes rather than the soft, porous signatures typical of icy comets. Further spectral analysis conducted by the James Webb Space Telescope's near-infrared spectrograph uncovered traces of complex synthetic polymers, refined titanium alloys, structured metallic lattices, and carbon nanotube formations intermingled with its exhaust trail. Materials that do not naturally synthesize within the vacuum of space through standard cometary heating. Additionally, amateur high-exposure imagery and orbital tracking confirmed three distinct, needle-like ion streams converging directly toward Mars, pulsing in exact synchronization with the object's 17-minute thruster vents. If 3I Atlas, with an estimated mass of 10 billion tons, were to maintain its current trajectory and strike the Martian surface at 57 km per second, the resulting impact would unleash over 2 million megatons of kinetic energy, carving out a crater 60 km wide and scattering radioactive and geological debris across interplanetary space. Such a catastrophic event would instantly destroy decades of human scientific infrastructure on Mars, including operational rovers and orbiters, while cracking open deep subsurface permafrost reservoirs, destabilizing the atmosphere, and potentially triggering widespread biological or chemical contamination across the entire planet. As the object closed the distance to Mars, global space agencies initiated emergency planetary defense consultations while observing unusual, corresponding anomalies emerging directly from the Martian crust itself. Long-dormant seismic zones near Cerberus Fossae suddenly registered a series of low-frequency magnetic pulses repeating at the exact same 17-minute interval as 3I Atlas's outgassing vents, accompanied by localized subsurface temperature spikes and localized gravitational fluctuations detected by orbital thermal mappers. Furthermore, cryptographers analyzing the object's trajectory vectors and velocity fluctuations decoded structured, repeating binary sequences corresponding to the atomic numbers of carbon, oxygen, silicon, and iron, the fundamental chemical building blocks of both organic life and advanced machinery. The object's projected descent vector aligns precisely with a perfectly circular, 3.5 km wide basin in Elysium Planitia, an area featuring unique crystalline silicate deposits that emit periodic infrared pulses when exposed to solar radiation. Adding to the mystery, photometric data from James Webb revealed a secondary, non-reflective, shadow body trailing 3I Atlas at a fixed distance of 0.07 astronomical units, maintaining its relative position completely unaffected by local gravitational perturbations or solar radiation pressure as if tethered by an unseen force field. Intriguingly, cross-referencing this orbital telemetry with ancient Babylonian, Mayan, and pre-Incan sky records revealed historical depictions of an identical celestial path, referred to in ancient scrolls as the flame serpent, which executed unnatural maneuvers near the Sun before targeting the red planet. Modern neurocosmology experiments measuring brainwave responses to the 17-minute pulsation frequency of 3I Atlas even observed localized, real-time neural synchronization across isolated test subjects worldwide, hinting at an underlying electromagnetic or cognitive component embedded within the signal. Meanwhile, ESA's ExoMars Trace Gas Orbiter detected sudden, violent surges of anomalous xenon and krypton isotopes rising from deep subterranean fissures within the Martian surface, while thermal scans of Utopia Planitia revealed a massive subsurface heat signature matching ancient geometric glyphs carved into the nearby D and M Foci region. Most shockingly, recent high-resolution images from Mars Express captured dynamic, sweeping dust movements in Noctis Labyrinthus forming two concentric ovals expanding outward from beneath the sand, shaping an unmistakable, monumental depiction of a giant eye tilted at exactly 23.5 degrees, mirroring Earth's exact axial tilt and suggesting a deliberate visual acknowledgement directed straight at human observers. Ultimately, the unprecedented data delivered by the James Webb Space Telescope demonstrates that 3I Atlas cannot be dismissed as a mere passive, wandering space rock executing a random flyby through our inner solar system. Spectroscopic breakdown of the molecular vapor drifting in the object's wake revealed repeating strands of complex, synthetic RNA-like nucleic acid sequences engineered for autonomous structural replication, proving that the visitor carries sophisticated prebiotic or synthetic information across interstellar space. As Mars, Earth, and the Sun align in a rare gravitational synchronization that mirrors ancient terrestrial megalithic sites like Stonehenge, Giza, and Teotihuacan, 3I Atlas appears to be fulfilling a precise, long-calculated orbital mechanism rather than a chaotic collision course. Whether this event culminates in a physical impact, a controlled insertion into orbit, or an unprecedented atmospheric interaction, the object's deliberate flight path, structural compositions, and mathematical timing have fundamentally challenged our understanding of cosmic evolution. Rather than a destructive anomaly, 3I Atlas represents a profound cosmic milestone, a purposeful, highly structured messenger navigating through our celestial neighborhood and forcing humanity to permanently re-evaluate its place within a far more complex, ancient, and interconnected universe.